Welcome back, everybody,
to Ty and Gig Builds.
Today, we are going to make a Halloween decoration, guillotine.
It's the Halloween season. We're gonna show you how to make this. Very basic, easy build. Any of you can do it. You got some wood laying around, you got nothing to do. Voila. Builds.
All right, guys, I'm out in the backyard again. I'm about to do some cuts here for the guillotine. It's gonna be kind of a small one. We just wanna fit our old lad Pinocchio in there. So it's gonna be kind of small. It's probably gonna be about 2 feet tall, give or take 2 feet wide. So let's get some measurements on it. You know what, it's time to just screw a few things in. Nothing crazy here, Gig, nothing crazy. Just a couple screw-ins. We're gonna go 5.5 here, and then we're going to cut a little circle for his head. What's up, guys? I need to cut out a hole for where Pinocchio's head's gonna go. So this is gonna be the half circle for where his head goes. And since there's such a small margin for where I can clamp, I'm gonna have to do this in bits and pieces.
Mind if we take a shot?
He says, do I mind, guys? Not bad. Wow, that almost looks like a half pipe. It just really, really resembles a half pipe for some reason. This is what's gonna hold our man's neck in place. We want it to be sturdy in there. So we're gonna remove, you know, about 1.5 to 2 inches of some wood from here, right through the center, just so this can hold in place. So we're gonna use this table saw here, chisel out just enough room for this, and then cut away, okay? Does that sound good?
It sounds good.
It sounds great. Builds.
Too easy.
And too easy with the builds. So you can see we've carved out a little bit of wood here. It's gonna fit in place right here. Voila. This isn't the actual guillotine, but it's gonna slide like that. This is where the actual blade from the guillotine is gonna go. So I'm gonna saw out a little slot for that metal to go in here. It's gonna slide right in here and chop his head off. All right, guys, now I just gotta drill in a hole for the string to go through. So I'm gonna drill through the side here And then also through the top so we can stick it right through, pop it right through there, all right? Nice and ready for Halloween, baby. Well, guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. That's right, I can't believe how easy it was to get them to build this thing. It's like they build whatever we ask for. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you saw. Anyway, where's that Pinocchio guy? Pinocchio! Come out, wherever you